guys, I wanted to make this video for those who might wanna invest in real estate but are afraid of. This is a really successful project in my view, a first project under my and my husband's belt. I have another business, Brilliant Massage Therapy and Skincare in Burlington, Vermont, but it's my dream to also do real estate, invest, money that we make into something we can make extra income when we get older. And even now we'd like to do more projects, even like a flip or another, like a rent to renovate to rent to other people. It's all serving people. It's all about serving people. And we have 4 tenants. Sorry, yes, well, they're couples, so 3 actually, because we are one of the tenants. So here we live for a year now, and I'm gonna upload pictures before and after in this video so you can see. We really transformed it from the 70s style into current style, which was 2019 last year. So it didn't take long to renovate us. My husband and his dad helped us. But the thing is, one door house is a liability. Yes, you build in equity when you're buying that, at least, some would say it's better than renting. But roof leaks, anything leaks, it's coming only out of your pocket. We're a multifamily house, you have tenants helping you to pay off the mortgage. You can pay off the mortgage quicker if you make extra payments, and then after it's paid off, you have all the profit. And from that profit, of course, you are gonna do maintenance. You will have to do some updates and things like that. You want to make sure if nothing's broken, but that's you don't expect to just for free get money. We love doing that stuff. So I would recommend getting into multifamily. Don't be afraid. Banks are good for next thing. Like if you want to get into, I'm looking maybe we want to be beyond the bank investing. Like if we want to do a flip, try thinking of other lender opportunities. But I might make other videos on that in the future. Good assets for getting tenants. So yeah, then we have our front tree. Trees are nice. Trees are always good selling point for tenants because it makes the house feel homey and it's off the main road. It's very quiet, very safe, good neighborhood. And we might build another property over there where all those trees are because there's enough of space to do that. So as you can see, this is all blue carpet and those old style cabinets, which we got rid of. We replaced most stuff that we got from Lowe's. Vinyl plank flooring, gray bluish color scheme. We painted the walls, added tiles. We took care of little things, doorknobs, lights. Makes a huge difference. We had new appliances. Really didn't have to spend a bank. We didn't put granite countertops. We didn't think it was important for this rental market, but we renovated, the laundry room as well, and the end result was everyone was happy with clean, modern space. We got a lot of interest. It was not hard to get tenants, and we also did Airbnb for a while until we got up long-term tenants, which are great. Let me know, guys, what you think of this project. If you're real estate, please share your ideas, and I hope to see you in the next video soon. Bye!